Okay, you want to show your new favorite thing to do? She likes to just bite right on the spoon and I get it out. You're so funny. You think that's funny, don't you? Give me the spoon. Give me the spoon. Her two little bottom teeth, they catch right on the rubber spoon. And she thinks it's funny. You do, don't you? Give me that spoon. Give me that spoon. You're so silly. Is that good? Say hi. Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Can you wave? Say bye-bye. Can you wave to baby Jordan? Say hi, baby Jordan. Hi, baby Jordan. Say hi, baby Jordan. Can you wave? Can you show Mama you know how to wave? Go for it, girl.